Hello friends, I am Ketki Sarvate from Modern College Ganesh Khind, and in today's video we are going to learn about terpenes. There are many different examples of terpenes we encounter in our day-to-day life. Few of them are mint, which contains linalool. Then we have lemongrass. Lemongrass we use in rainy season. It contains nerol. We also use camphor. Camphor is used as a topical anesthetic. Then oranges. We all love to eat oranges. They contain limonene. What are terpenes? They are secondary metabolites produced by a variety of plants, mainly conifers, and also by some insects. They are primary constituents of essential oils of many types of plants. The term terpene is originated from the term turpentine, which is an essential oil used in paints. They are important biosynthetic building blocks, for example, steroids. There is a rule known as isoprene rule which tells us how these terpenes are synthesized. It tells us that thermal decomposition of all terpenes gives isoprene as one of the products. In the reaction you can see there are two such isoprene units, C5H8, are combined to give C10H16, a monoterpene. Another rule known as special isoprene rule was proposed by Ingold in 1925. It tells us that isoprene units in terpenes are joined in head-to-tail fashion. In the picture you can see this is a head part, a branched one, and this is a tail part. Classification of terpenes. Terpenes are classified on the basis of number of carbon atoms present in them. The first category is monoterpenes, which has 2 isoprene units and total carbons are 10. Examples are limonene, found in citrus fruits, menthol, found in mint. Then we have sesquiterpenes, which have 3 isoprene units. Examples are caryophyllene and gingiberine. Gingiberine is found in ginger. Diterpenes, 4 isoprene units are joined. Total number of carbons present is 20. Example is Taxol, which is an anti-cancer drug. Sesquiterpenes, which have 5 isoprene units. Triterpenes, 6 isoprene units. Total number of carbons is 30. Example is cholesterol. Tetraterpenes, 8 such isoprene units. Example is lycopene, which is found in tomatoes. Then, when there are n number of isoprene units, polyterpenes are synthesized. Example is rubber. Here you can see how the isoprene units are combined to give us different types of terpenes. In the first case, this is a head part and this is a tail part. C5 unit is known as hemiterpene or isoprene. Then monoterpene, which has 2 such isoprene units. Sesquiterpene, it has 1, 2 and 3 such isoprene units. Diterpene, it has 4 such isoprene units, and so on. For triterpenes, the joining is not head to tail, it is changed to tail to tail. These are some examples of monoterpenes. Some examples of sesquiterpenes and diterpenes. This FPP is a precursor of sesquiterpenes, which is synthesized from isoprene. Here you can see taxane present as diterpene, which is a skeleton of Taxol, an anti-cancer drug. Tetraterpenes, this beta-carotene is found in carrots. Lycopene, for example, is found in tomatoes. To conclude with, we have seen different examples of terpenes found in nature. Also, the classification of terpenes based on the number of carbons present. Also, we saw isoprene and special isoprene rule and different examples of terpenes. In our next video, we are going to learn about mevalonate pathway, the pathway by which different terpene precursors are synthesized. Also, in detail biogenesis of monoterpenes and sesquiterpenes. Thank you for today. Bye bye. We will see you in the next video.